Thanks for watching Rocket City Motors. Make sure to check out the video description for part numbers, kit part numbers, and related information regarding this video's content. If the video helped you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button for me. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil in this 2003 Yamaha 25 horsepower. The first thing you're going to want to do is tilt up the motor as high as it'll go. Make sure the crush washer comes out with the drain plug. Once you have the drain plug removed, you can lower the engine, and I would suggest using a cut up milk jug in order to catch the oil. Once you've drained all the oil, you can go ahead and reinstall the oil plug and the crush washer. There will be a link to a new crush washer in the video description. This is a K&N oil filter, a KN303, and it took a 17mm wrench on the end. This is the Yamaha replacement filter. It's an OEM filter, and again, the part number is in the video description. You'll want to fill up the oil filter to about half to 3/4 full before putting it back on. Go slow and make sure you don't cross thread. You can tighten it with your hand, but don't get it too tight. Now you can raise the motor back up and fill it up with oil. The oil you need to use for this motor is the Yamaha Lube 10W30 4M. Again, the link to it is in the video description. You're going to want to add about 1.25 to 1.5 quarts of oil back into the engine. So when you buy your oil, make sure to get 2 quarts. The fill cap for the oil is located here on the top side of the engine. I like to lower the motor before I give it a quart or 1.25 quarts to make sure that I'm on track with the proper level. I'm in the middle of the dipstick, so I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you out. Make sure to check the video description for part numbers such as the oil filter, OEM part number, and the link to the Yamaha Lube on Amazon. Thanks for watching.